The farmers market here in Greenwich is making its transition into the fall. And although berries and peaches will soon be out of season, customers are looking forward to what's in store for the fall.
Just the warmer, more rooty vegetables that you can make into so many savory and these days sweet things as well.
I like to come in the fall. I like to get the winter squash and pumpkins if they have it.
The Greenwich Farmers Market off Exit 3 on I-95 will continue to offer in-season organic produce in the Arch Street parking lot until Thanksgiving weekend.
Some early plums are going by already, and probably got 3 more weeks of peaches, and that'll be it.
It starts to bring in some of the winter squashes, so the acorn and the buttercup and butternut and spaghetti squash. And we'll also be bringing in another flush of cool season crops, so that would be the lettuces and spinach and arugula and the greens and radishes and turnips.
The farmers market brings together nearly 18 different vendors from around the state. Currently, the market is supplying a large variety of tomatoes.
Tomatoes are really big now because they're just coming out of the hothouse now from the farm, so the prices are always a bit lower.
We do probably about 50 different varieties of both conventional and heirloom varieties of tomatoes.
Farmers say they're hoping for a warmer fall season.
The potatoes are going to get bigger and we're going to make more volume of them.
What I have is mostly apples, fall apples.
Last fall we had a lengthy warm fall season. We were able to continue with peppers and tomatoes, and we may be able to do that again this year if the weather warrants it.
The Greenwich Farmers Market is open every Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. For more information on vendors, visit GreenwichFarmersMarketCT.com. I'm Priscilla Lombardi for It's Relevant News.